In this video, I'll show you how to create a WooCommerce free shipping over a specific amount in just a few simple steps. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Okay, so here we are on our checkout page, and currently the only shipping option we've got is this flat rate shipping. So we're going to create a new shipping option when a user spends a specific amount. So currently I've got $18 in my cart currently. So we'll increase this. Okay, so currently my cart total is $62. So we'll create a free shipping option if a user spends over $100, for example. Okay, so let's head back over to our dashboard, and to do this we'll navigate to WooCommerce, and then we'll navigate to settings. So now the second step is to navigate to shipping, and then the third step is to go ahead and select the specific shipping zone in which you want to add the free shipping to. So in my case, I've added a shipping zone for the UK, so I'm going to edit this shipping zone, and then I'm going to click add a shipping method. And then here, I'm going to go ahead and select free shipping. Click add shipping method. Okay, so I'm going to edit this free shipping method, and I'm going to set a requirement for it. So I'm going to select a minimum order. So basically, if the user spends more than $100, they'll be able to get access to the free shipping option. Okay, and then here it says apply minimum order rule before coupons discounted. So we can enable this if we want, but I'm just going to leave it as it is for now. So I'll save changes here, and now if I refresh this checkout page, we should still only be able to see this flat rate shipping method. So let's refresh this page. Yep, so we can still only see flat rate shipping method. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a few more stuff to cart. Well, in fact, so currently the checkout page I'm using is powered by all-in-one checkout. So I'm going to enable cart editing. Okay, so let's just save changes. And the reason for this is I just want to be able to increase the quantity here. So I'm going to refresh this page. All right, and now we can go ahead and increase this quantity. Okay, and now since our order total exceeds $100, we can now see this free shipping option. And now we've got access to free shipping. Okay, so you can take this a step further as well. So whilst the customer's shopping on your site, you might want to encourage, well, it makes sense to encourage them to actually spend more to hit that free shipping threshold. And that will basically help you increase your average order value. So one thing you can do is you can show a free shipping bar so they can know how far away they are to hitting that free shipping threshold. So I've created another video here where it will allow you to show a free shipping bar just like this, and then it will just display a message here saying congratulations. You can customize this message as well once the users actually hit that threshold, and if they're below that threshold, it will show them here and then let them know how much they need to add to cart to be able to access that free shipping. So if you're interested in adding this functionality to your site, I'll leave the link in the description below. This is done as well using the all-in-one checkout plugin, which is created by us. It's currently free and in beta mode, so you're more than welcome to add this functionality to your site. And that's how you add a free shipping option over a certain amount in WooCommerce in just a few simple steps. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you've got any questions, leave in the comment box below or reach out to support and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.